Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you finding it challenging to attract traders to your Solana-based token? In this video, we'll show you how the Raydium AMM Volume Booster can help you increase visibility, enhance trading activity, and create a stronger market presence. Let's get started and unlock the potential of your token. Before we dive into the solution, let's talk about why visibility is crucial for your Solana token. 1. Increased liquidity. A visible token attracts more traders, leading to smoother transactions and reduced slippage. 2. Enhanced credibility. A strong market presence builds trust among investors and the crypto community. 3. Community growth. Greater visibility means more holders, fostering a vibrant and engaged community. The Raydium AMM Volume Booster is an advanced tool that helps projects like yours drive trading volume and market presence. Key features include 1. Trade automation. Execute buy and sell orders to simulate organic trading activity. 2. Liquidity optimization. Strengthen your token's liquidity pool for smoother trading. 3. Customizable campaigns. Set specific parameters for trade frequency, size, and duration. 4. Analytics dashboard. Monitor your campaign's impact with real-time performance data. With these tools, you can create consistent trading activity that makes your token stand out. Let's walk through how to set up and use the Raydium AMM Volume Booster. 1. Log in to the platform. Visit the Raydium interface and log in with your credentials. 2. Connect your wallet. Link your Solana wallet securely using trusted options like Phantom or Solflare. 3. Select your token. Choose the token you want to boost from your connected wallet. Set campaign parameters. Define your campaign's specifics. Volume range. Set the trade sizes to mimic organic activity. Frequency. Determine how often trades should occur. Duration. Specify the length of your campaign. Activate the booster. Click Start Campaign to launch. The system will begin executing trades based on your parameters. 6. Monitor and adjust. Use the analytics dashboard to track metrics like volume, liquidity, and token visibility. Adjust settings as needed for optimal results. Here are some expert tips to maximize the effectiveness of the Raydium AMM Volume Booster. 1. Start with a pilot campaign. Test smaller campaigns to evaluate the impact before scaling up. 2. Align with marketing efforts. Combine the booster with promotions, announcements, or community events for maximum reach. 3. Adjust based on analytics. Use performance data to refine your strategy for better results. Monitor gas fees. Although Solana offers low fees, tracking costs ensures budget efficiency. 5. Engage your community. Use the visibility boost as an opportunity to attract and retain new holders. Here's why the Raydium AMM Volume Booster is a must-have for Solana token projects. 1. Improved market visibility. Consistent trading volume helps your token get noticed on exchanges. 2. Strengthened liquidity. A robust liquidity pool creates a better trading experience for users. 3. Attracts new traders. Active tokens are more appealing to investors and traders. 4. Data-driven growth. Use analytics to guide your long-term strategy. 5. Scalable solution. Customize campaigns to fit your project's evolving needs. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The Moonshot Volume Booster is helping Solana projects achieve incredible results, and it can do the same for you. If you're ready to take your token to the next level, try the booster today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into DeFi tools and strategies.